This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Okay, good morning, Rabbi Sai. Welcome everyone to today's shir. It's good to have you. Okay, so what we're going to do today is, on this past Friday we did the Haftorah Parshas Shmini, which is very worthwhile to do. The only thing is we didn't learn the Haftorah Parshas Shmini this week. We learned the Haftorah Parshas Parah, and we didn't have a chance to do the Haftorah Parshas Parah. So I want to share with you two beautiful nuggets on the Haftorah of Parah from the Navi Yechezkel. And the first offering was going to be focusing on one word. And the pasuk says in the Navi Yechezkel, over here on your sheet, it's pasuk Lamed Vav. Ve yadu hagoyim, ve yadu hagoyim asher yisharu zivay sechem. The goyim that remain around you, they'll know ki ani Hashem banisi haner asais natati haneshama ani Hashem dibarti ve'asisi. We're going to focus on the word haneshama, and we're going to focus on the word haner asais. Here we go. This is from the Berchas Chaim, the Ben Ish Chai's commentary on the Haggadah, on the Haftarahs. There is an idea that is introduced by the Arizal that by the Ched of Adam Arishain, they were poigeya in two letters, two dalads. They were poigeya in two dalads, shtei dalasin. They were poigeya in the dalad of shakai, shin dalad yud. They infringed on that dalad. And they infringed on the dalad of Aleph Dalad Nun Yud. So Shakai became Shin Yud, and Aleph Dalad Nun Yud became Ani, Shai and Ani. And the Mekubalim explained this is what Chava meant, Hanachash Hishiani va'oichel. The snake seduced me and I ate. Literally, seduced me. But Al Pi Kabbalah means Hishiani, he Hishiani'd me. He turned me into Shin Yud, Aleph Nun Yud. He took out the dalet of Shin Dalad Yud. He took out the dalet of Aleph Dalad Nun Yud. You see, you look at the word Hishiani. It's Ani. It's Shai without the dalet. Ani without the dalet. Therefore, the Torah warns us: Ashrei Adam Shoymei Ali Lishkoid Al Dal Soisa Yom Yom. Fortunate is a person who listens to me, to be diligent by my doors daily. That means we need to learn Torah every morning and every night, by the doors of Torah, because we need to replace the deles of Aleph Dalad Nun Yud and the deles of Shin Dalad Yud. Fine. Also, those are not the only two letters that were nifka, because we know Ein Hashem Shalem, Ve'ein HaKisei Shalem. God's name is not complete, and His throne is not complete. So, Ki Yad Al Kes Ka. Kes should be Kisei. Ka should be Yud Ke, Vav Ke. That's how we say La'asad Lavai, Ki Bachar Hashem L'Tzion. When God will select Tzion, Iva L'Moshe Avloi. He will restore the Aleph, the Vav, and the Hey. So in total, how many letters have been nifka? A total of 5 letters. Dalid from Shakai, Dalid from Aleph Dal Nun Yud, Aleph from Kisei, Vav Ke from the Yud Ke Vav Ke. So la'asad lavai, so it comes out how many letters are missing? We have 5 missing letters, 2 dalids, an aleph, and a vav and then a hey. This is what it means. Ani Hashem, I am God. Banisi, I build haneharasois. I will rebuild that which has been demolished. What does that mean, that which has been demolished? Hey neharasois, the 5 destroyed letters. That's the secret of the word. Ani Hashem, I am God. Banisi, I will build. Hey neharasos, the 5 letters that have been destroyed. But the pasuk continues. Natati haneshama. It could also be read neshama without a dagesh. Meaning the nefesh, ruach, and the neshama, which correspond to machshava, dibur, and maisa. La'asad lavai will be b'tahara, and then the neshama will illuminate, which is the neshama corresponds to machshava. Right? We have 3 components of one's existence, one's thoughts, one's speech, and one's actions. And we have something called nefesh, ruach, and neshama. So the nefesh is for Maisa, dibur is the ruach, and machshava is for the neshama. God will even purify our thoughts. So this is the secret of the word, haneh rasois, says the Ben Ish Chai. Okay?
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.